So here we are having fun with science at home. This is my cyanotype or blueprint scarf. I've got the scarf laid out in what little sun there is on November 23rd in Northeast Ohio, and some fern leaves laid on top of that to get out the UV beads just to see if we are getting enough sunlight here. So we've got some beads that start off with no color and have really changed already. That tells me that there is plenty of ultraviolet light out here for this to work today. I noticed that when I was setting the scarf up, some of the leaves have flipped over sideways, and there was an impression of the leaf already on the scarf. It has definitely turned blue in the time that I've been running back and forth in and out of my house to try to get this thing set up. And I'm hoping that after 20 minutes or more of sunshine, we'll get a nice impression of the leaves on the scarf. I think I'm probably going to leave it out longer than 20 minutes though, as long as nothing's blowing away. I hope your t-shirts are working. So, this is my backyard. Let's go check the fabric after an hour. So this has been sitting out an hour now, and it is kind of blue-gray on the edges, as the directions said it might be. I'd still like this to develop a little longer since, well, the shade is hitting part of it. So I'm going to move it out to the front and see if that helps. So here's an example of poor planning in my move. I managed to knock a leaf loose and expose that area. So see if we can get that put back and continue to develop the process as the wind kicks up. And get this secured a little bit better. So I moved this out to the front of my house just in time for the sun to go behind a cloud. And I'm hoping that by tilting it toward the sun, I'll get a little bit more direct UV light on there and hopefully get a better imprint. I am going to leave it on there a bit longer until the shadows cast, and hopefully the wind isn't going to take this away today. Another check on the UV beads. Even though the sun does go behind the cloud, they're still registering quite a lot of UV light. They changed from white to blue and pinkish purple. Hopefully that's a good sign. Okay, since the neighbor's house is now casting a shadow on my scarf, I'm going to bring that in and try to develop it and see what happens. I've taken off all the pins, and I've got like this darker bluish gray color. And now we'll take the leaves off of there. See, very little bit of an imprint on that one. Faint imprint there. Got nothing on that one. A little bit of an imprint there. A little leaf bled through. Some imprint there. And a little bit there. And a little bit there. So, it's not looking too promising at this point, but we'll see what happens when we develop it. So this turned out pretty cool. I think maybe we get a brighter color blue if we were in the summer doing this, but the leaf prints did come up, and it looks pretty nice. It's kind of wetted against the cardboard backing right now, so when it dries it should probably be a little more contrast. Here's the finished product.